Let's make this beautiful bracelet using only 3 items. That's right, that's all you need. First, let's talk about our third eye chakra and this gorgeous amethyst stone. It is one of my favorites. Amethyst is known to be the calming stone. Maybe that's why I love it. Look at the brilliance of the purple that comes from this stone. This personal one here is my piece. It's quite big. I want you to see the edges. Do you see the white crystallization on there before it grows and becomes a colorant, vibrant purple? Absolutely stunning. If you're looking for amethyst and you're looking for a stone that helps you breathe and relax, amethyst is a wonderful stone to have around the house, to wear near your skin. Very relaxing. Not only is it gorgeous, but its wonderful properties also help you have a very deep sleep at night. It decreases anxiety. Anything to do with calming of the nervous system, amethyst is your go-to. Here are a few pieces that I've made that I wanted to show you and share with you guys. This one here is a 6mm amethyst bracelet. Quite simple, but you can see it's got a lot of purple to it. The next one is going to be also an 8mm amethyst beads. This one is a memory wire bracelet, so it's flexible and it can fit just about any wrist, just like the stretchy one. This one, I bet you've never seen. It's got the purple and the yellow amethyst. Yes, that's another video, but amethyst can also be yellow, not just traditional purple. How about this one as we head into Halloween? This one's known as the ghost amethyst. And why? You can see the sheer purple, but a lot of it looks like it's got little floating ghosts on there. And that's from that white part of the stone that I showed you guys. Now this one speaks for itself. Need I say anything? Just look how gorgeous this is. This one again is quite a big piece, labradorite. Labradorite is, I call it like a mystical rock, almost, if you would say. It's got its very shy, when you look at it in one area, it doesn't have any shimmer. And then all of a sudden, from the inside, flashes this absolutely gorgeous, vibrant turquoise, cobalt blue with green and a little bit of gold in there. You can't actually describe the color. It's that magnificent. And again, it's almost like a human, you know, a very shy person that takes a little bit to come out. When you look at it in one direction, it's very dark and very ordinary looking. But just once in a while, you see that brightness come out and it is stunning. Right here, I actually walked outside with it so that I can show you guys when the light hits it, the reflection that this beautiful rock has. There's a little sparkle right there in between hidden. And then it depends on which area the light is hitting. It just absolutely gorgeous. Now, labradorite, it is a stone of reflection. It is a stone of intuition. You know, when you're in a situation, you just have this gut feeling that something does not click for you, or that person just isn't sitting right with you or giving you good vibes. Well, this is a great rock to be wearing. It actually gives you that power to understand whether it is really coming from you. It definitely helps you clear that mental fog or that questionable situation for you. And here's the bracelet we're about to make. And again, if you don't want to make it, I do have these in my Etsy shop if you prefer to purchase it for a special someone. It's there. I'll put the link in the description. If you prefer to make it, stay tuned. At the end of the video, I'll show you how. As for now, let's talk about black obsidian. You can find these stones raw or polished like this one here. Obsidian helps you definitely be aware and alert. It's somewhat of a protection stone for your emotional state and your well-being. You can wear it again on any type of jewelry. It's a great stone for anyone to wear, but for some reason, males love this stone and it's absolutely beautiful as well. Hi there and welcome back, and here we go. We need 3 items to make this bracelet. What are those 3 items? You'll need a focal bead of your choice, right? You'll need some stringing material, which I'm using the black stretch cord because I think it looks pretty with these beads, and your actual beads. So if you really think about it, you'll need 2 items, which is your cord and your beads. You don't necessarily need a focal bead. I'm gonna put one on this just for fun, so it looks prettier. Another option here is going to be your beading needle. And the reason I say this is optional, not necessary, it's because I'm going to be double threading my gemstones. When I work with high-end beads, I like to make sure the bracelet is very tight and it's strung very well, but you don't need it. You can go ahead and just use one single string with no needle and go ahead and start your stringing process, and you have no need for a needle. See that? So you're just gonna make yours straight on the cord. Now, as for me, I'm going to go ahead and double that. So let's begin the process here. And what I mean by doubling is I'm gonna go ahead and take my string. This would be one, and this would be the other, okay? And that's what I mean by doubling. It makes your bracelet much, much stronger when you're working with heavy beads or working with, you know, valuable beads that you want to make a good quality product. So there's my stringing. And I'm going to press this together and we'll just start beading. A quick little tip is if you're working with these types of needles, you know how they split at the very, very end? If you keep the beads on here before you transfer them to the string like this, and you keep quite a few of them, it really helps put the 2 wires together. And then it just makes it an easier process for you to go ahead and put it through. You don't have to really be thinking about it. Look how it's already flashing. Ooh, that's beautiful. Alrighty, and when you are all done, you're just going to adjust your beads, such as so. And I like to go ahead and put my focal bead here. Ooh, that's so cute. And then pull the string a little bit, remove your needle. Again, if you're working with a needle. And you're going to put one of these inside the knot, pull it through. And now, when you pull them out together, you're going to slide all of these beads onto this side so that you're by your knot that you just made. So we're going to carefully move all these beads onto the other side. Pull it. Give it a good tug. Now we're going to do our double knots. Pulling it the other direction. Make sure that knot looks good. I like to do it a couple more times. And one last one. So you could see here. 1, 2, and push. Got a beautiful knot there, you can't even tell. Going to cut that out. And then you can either slide this knot under the focal bead. I like to put it under one of the beads here. And voila, you don't even see it. Look at this. So pretty. Look at the flash on that. I'm in love. As usual, guys, I hope you like this tutorial. I hope it's bringing you some kind of value that you can actually make these things with very little supplies. On that note, I hope you guys like and subscribe to the video, and let me know if you have any questions in regards to this, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Have a great day.